welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from what you guys are used to seeing. And if you already read the title, I am in fact going to be showing you guys how I do my dip nails. I've been doing my nails since 6th grade, so about 8 years so far. My nail obsession actually started when I was a little kid, but once my mom bought me some acrylic, I started doing that even though I sucked at it. Then I got a UV lamp and started doing my own gel nails. And now I really only dabble in dip nails since they're a little bit easier and they don't really tear up my nails as bad as acrylic. Before we get into the video, go hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you have your bell icon on so you get notified every time I post a video. And with all that out of the way, let's get started. First step in my dip process is making sure that my cuticles are all taken care of. I do this by going in with this cuticle cream and making sure they're all pushed back and there's no hangnails in the way that would cause my nails to lift. Wash all the cuticle cream off, it's time for me to put on nail tips. Today I'm using these ones I got off of Amazon. I'll link them in the description. They work really well, especially if you have super narrow fingernails. I definitely do, and they help a lot. Now I'm going in with these nail trimmers and I'm just cutting them to the length that I want. You'll notice that I'm not really cutting them perfectly right now. I'm really just going for the length that I want, and I'm going to go back with a file and make sure that they're super square. I'm just going in with this medium grit file and just shaping them into the coffin shape that I'm going for today. Now that I have my shape down, I'm gonna buff out my smile lines where the nail tip has created that rough edge. Today I'm using this TP gel dip system that I got off of Amazon. The first polish that I'm going in with is this nail prep, and I'm going over all of my nails twice with this, and I'm not getting it on the tip at all. I'm just keeping it on my natural nail. Now I'm going in with this gel dip and top polish, and this is going to help me build up all of my layers of dip. My first layer of dip is going to be centered towards the smile line that I was talking about earlier, just so that I get a super strong bridge and my nails are not going to be breaking right after doing them. Actual color that I'm going in with is this French pink, and I'm only putting that on my thumb and my middle fingers because that's where my flower details will be. Now with more nail glue, I'm cutting up the little flower pieces, and I got these off of Wish, and I'm just applying those all over my nails, making sure they're super secure. Now I'm going back in with that clear dip powder, and I'm just layering that up over and over again, making sure all the flowers are all laid down so that I can file them down later and not worry about hitting any of the flowers. Now that I have my two nails to the thickness that I like, I'm just going to activate that with another coat of the gel builder, and then I'm hardening it with the gel activator. Now I'm just repeating all of the steps on all my other nails with the colors that I picked out for them. So somehow I completely cut all the footage from when I actually drilled my nails down, but I'll make another video for that, and I ended up using the roughest grit that I have. I will also link the drill that I use in the description, along with the fan that I use that sucks up all the dust. Now I'm going in with the FairyGlo gel base and top coat, and it's just gonna add a super shiny finish. You can also use just regular top coat for like a nail polish. It works just the same. And I'm just curing the base coat for 60 seconds and then the top coat for 60 seconds. I'll try to find the link for the lamp that I use as well. Everything that I use is on Amazon. I really don't stray from Amazon, so it's all reasonably priced and pretty affordable if you're on a budget. So I found after drilling my nails, my cuticles can take a real beating, so I ended up using this milk and honey cuticle oil. You can get it off of Amazon, and it also comes with most gel dip kits. So here's the end product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing this little nail tutorial. I'm really passionate about doing my nails, if that even makes any sense, but it's really a big hobby of mine, and I hope this video inspired you to go do your nails and get all dolled up in this quarantine, because it really just helps your confidence and makes you feel really good about yourself if your nails are all nice and fixed up. If you did enjoy this video, go hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more beauty related videos in the future if you are interested in that stuff. And the question that I would love you guys to go answer down below is, what is your favorite hobby? What is something that you like to do in your free time that brings you enjoyment? Personally, I really enjoy doing anything artsy or makeup or nails. I just enjoy being creative. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and stay happy and healthy. Bye!